Our everyday lives are powered by intelligent machines, a smartphone or tablet always within arm's reach, enjoying banking, entertainment, and shopping with mobile apps and websites. You and your digital native employees have gotten used to simple, powerful digital technologies. Isn't it time to digitize your factory too? Of the world's 10 million factories, 80% haven't been digitized. Are you part of the 80% still capturing data about operations manually? If so, you know the problem well. Your manually captured data is 40% inaccurate and not in a format that can be analyzed easily. This makes it difficult to make real-time data-driven decisions, resulting in lost energy, wasted material, inefficient processes, lower productivity, and ultimately, decreased profits. Compounding the problem, you experience constant knowledge leakage because staff are continuously churning and taking important information with them. Of course, some factories are more advanced and do already capture some or all of their manufacturing data with smart machines, sensors, and cameras. If this is you, you know that you face an even bigger challenge, which is converting all of that data into knowledge that will trigger taking the right actions at the right time to improve business performance. This is why ThingTrax was born. Our vision is a world where digitized factories become intelligent and learn to optimize themselves. We've called this Intelligent Manufacturing Optimization. We provide a one-stop-shop solution to mid-sized manufacturers, offering everything that you need to up-level your manufacturing business no matter what stage you are at today. No expensive integrators, no complicated multi-vendor stack. One out-of-the-box modular integrated hardware and software platform that plugs into your factory in days. It's as simple as that. Take the next step towards intelligent manufacturing optimization. Book a no-risk 30-day trial today.